Now that's a very nice little present from one of my clients. The question is lifting it into the Sharkmobile. Oh man, this is going to be fun.
So I managed to get that industrial size backflow and gate valves loaded, and then I had to unload them because I had to go do another pickup. And I'm back at the shark cage when this weather rolled in. It's just mind-boggling, just absolutely amazing to watch this front approach. I just can't believe how fast these clouds are moving, how quickly this can change like this. And I just wanted to share this with you all because I just find this so fascinating and awe-inspiring. All right, let's get back in the shark cage and get out of the lightning and do some scrapping.
Yeah, let's go ahead and pull another string. What do you say?
If I remember correctly, this was from a washing machine motor, and I just leave it sitting here on the workbench, and every now and then I just pull one of these sections, get the copper wire off of it. Yeah, it's really nice copper wire that goes in the number 2 bucket. I could take the effort and knock out the whole thing, but it's just kind of fun to have it sitting there, and every once in a while when I walk by there, I just go ahead and pull the section and cut it, throw it in the copper bucket, and go on to the next thing.
Very interesting gadget. This is a pool cleaner of some sort, and it has some sort of motor inside of it, because when I picked it up I realized that that was not an air hose or a water hose, but a power hose. Very well insulated, so it's going to be a pain in the butt because that's foam, so this was positively buoyant. So it is going to be somewhat annoying to get at it. All right, now then, this insulated copper wire is going to need some work because that foamy insulation is going to be challenging to cut through. Ouch! Don't hurt thee. Don't hurt me. Oh my. Now then, let's see here. First thing we always do, take out any screws we can see. Now this was in a pool, so there may be, yeah, that's stainless hardware. It's all stainless hardware. It sticks, so it's not, you know, some stainless will stick, but it falls off as soon as you shake it. There's more stainless hardware there. We'll go after that after we get the rest of this thing apart. Filter bag. There's the motor. Cool. These keeper clips out of the way. Get the belts. Do the belts want to come off now? That drive belt there is holding that. Well, I know a better way to get the belts off. Those are just plastic. This was a fancy pool cleaner, man. Okay. Let's see here. Get you out of the way. Give me a little more room to work in here. I don't think, can I get you in here yet? Maybe. Okay, that was a little more. Aha! That was the way to do it, like that. There we go. Now, we've got 2 screws here. Go. Them out of the way. So this motor was driving a pump. This one was driving the drive belts and the wheels that were doing all the cleaning. You're just a hose. Not gonna mess with you. The rest of you is trash. There's a couple of nuts and bolts on there, but I'm not gonna worry about that. Just get this wire out of the way here. Make it easier to deal with this stuff. More screws. Do they all want to play? Let's find out. That one almost wants to play. Oops. Threw that one in there, didn't I? Force of habit. Your brass. Wait a minute. That makes sense. Yes, it does. There we go. Look at that. Wow. This must have been one smart pool cleaner. All right, wheel. I believe that we are in good enough position to just chuck this in with the motors. I do not believe that would be a problem. Fuses. I should check them for contacts. Let's bust one of these open and see if they have any decent silver contacts in them. What do you say? They're not fuses. They're just connectors. Bummer. All right, so you're going to go in with the motors. We just have to take these nuts off, and then we have a mid-grade board here, and then this plate, which is not magnetic. It's kind of heavy, so I'm guessing stainless, but let's give it a real quick check. Yeah, there's sparks. I don't know if you can see them. I can see them. So that's stainless. And that makes sense that it would be stainless. It might have been aluminum, but unlikely. All right. That is a very tiny, 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 tiny. Tiny little nut. But you're not that tiny. There we go. I think we're going to try just do this by hand. Oops. Oh yeah, look at that. We've got another chip on the back, got some MLCCs. Over here we've got another IC, a tantalum, another tantalum, so, and a cap. So, you know, that's easily a mid-grade board, and that is stainless, so That's going in with my stainless bucket. Now then, this motor. Well, I guess I should have anticipated that there would have been oil in there. Now we're a mess. Oh, that's annoying. Well, my tools are going to get well oiled. My clippers. All right, what do we got going on here? Now then. You're very light, so I'm thinking you are aluminum. Yep. You're extruded. So I think I'm just going to put you in there for right now and try to remember to throw you in with the extruded.
So I'm going to make the decision to not dig out those wires. The copper wires just a little too difficult to get at, and I need to get on to some other stuff, so that's just going to go with the electric motors. Now let's go figure out how we're going to get that big heavy cast iron backflow valve back in the truck again.
This Genie Lift is really coming in handy.
Okay, so go ahead and take some guesses in the comments down below. How heavy do you think this industrial backflow device is? I mean, that thing was very difficult to get up in the truck when I didn't have any assistance. So I'm really glad I had the Genie Lift to load it back in the truck for the trip to the scrapyard. This is just really saving my back. I am so glad that I made this investment.
That would have been so painful. Even that valve by itself is heavy, but it's manageable. That would have been painful. I'd have probably hurt myself trying to lift that bad boy.
Well, the rain started kicking in here, and it's such a cold rain on such hot pavement that it's actually making fog. It's just fascinating that the fog is developing right there. All right, I'm going to finish getting the truck loaded and head over to the scrapyard. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it's the little red button down in the corner there. Go ahead and click that. Link's going to take you to more street scrapping and other fun videos. I hope y'all had a great time. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.